A man who police say impregnated a child in 1994 is facing a new sexual battery charge. 68-year-old Rainey Richardson Sr. was booked in jail last week. The alleged incident dates back 3 decades to 1989 and involves the abuse of a girl who was in the 4th grade at the time. Action News Jack's Kennedy Dendy joins us live from the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office. And Kennedy, JSO is asking for the public's help for more victims.
That's right. JSO believes more victims are out there because of Richardson's access to children at the time of the incident. And right now, he remains in jail with the bond set at $250,000. Officers say they were notified about the 1989 incident of sexual battery only 2 months ago, in August. The arrest report shows that the victim remembers spending the night at Rainey Richardson's house in Duval County and slept in a bed with his children. She says she was sexually abused that night. The arrest report shows that when the victim was older, a recorded phone conversation took place between she and Richardson. The victim told Richardson she wanted closure and told him he took her innocence. The report says Richardson apologized to her and told the victim he was messed up, saying he remembers bits and pieces of what happened. With more than 3 decades having passed, I asked Action News Jack's law and safety expert Dale Carson if the statute of limitations applies in this case.
If the person reports the events when they are 18 or older, so all these years have transpired in the past, and now they've reported it when they're 18, it's still, the state is still able to prosecute the case.
After the recorded conversation between Richardson and the victim, an investigator requested more information about Richardson. An arrest report shows that Richardson was arrested in 1994 accused of lewd and lascivious assault on a child. The report says the victim, a child, had become pregnant by Richardson. For that 1994 crime, Richardson was sentenced to 9 months in jail, followed by 2 years of community service. And in that 1989 sexual battery charge, Richardson could face life in prison if convicted. So if you know anything about Richardson or you know someone who may have been abused by him, you're asked to give JSO a call immediately. For local coverage you can count on live in downtown Jacksonville, I'm Kennedy Dendy, Action News Jax.